What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video of Viper Sniper. Why am I not wearing the shirt today? Because it's so hot. That's not what I'm talking about right now. Right now is, you want to know how to do a donkey? Some people just wonder how a donkey sounds like, but do they know how to do it? Do you know how to do it? I know I've been knowing how to do it. So it goes like this. Even when they go that's a donkey first. And the pigeon. How come I got 2 dislikes on that? Sometimes the pigeon does go. It really does. How come I got 2 dislikes on that one, man? Even the bear. Even this one. A talking dog called Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Whoa, what else? Turkey. It goes like gobble, gobble, gobble. I'm not sure. It sounds like it's like kind of like Patrick says or something like that. But it's like gobble, gobble, gobble. It was like gobble, 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 gobble. Roar. Sometimes people go like it's kind of hard. I'm still working on that though. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys liked some of those animal sounds, and I'll see you guys whenever, in the future, perhaps.